Imagine a small lab, not white coats, just two people on a couch in a curious mind. Meet Ava and Jonah. They love each other. They also want to understand one thing. How does logic meet orgasm? How does the brain turn touch into a rocket launch of play? Start with a simple rule of science. Observe, hypothesize, test. Ava watches Jonah breathe faster, where she traces small circles near his neck. She notes the pattern. Hypothesis. Slow circles. Raise arousal slowly. Test. She tries faster tech. Result. Different curve. A little experiment. A little magic. Here's the logic. Sexual arousal is a signal. It rises, falls, and has a threshold. Think of it like a volume knob that needs the right click. Too fast, and the knob jumps past the sweet spot. Too slow, and it never reaches the peak. Orgasm is not a mystery. It's a threshold event in a system that depends on timing, attention, and feedback. Learn the system, and you can tune it. Try this tiny lad exercise tonight. 1. Take 5 minutes of quiet. No expectations. Partners sit close. One of you becomes the scientist, and the other, the subject. Scan your body. Notice heart rate. Notice breath. Notice where attention lands. Share one surprising sensation out loud. Simple words. No pressure. That sharing is data. That is logic in action. Now a trick. The staircase. Build arousal like climbing a staircase. Not sprinting. Start with a low step. Stay there. Move up only when both say yes. Pause. Breathe together. The pause is gold. It resets the nervous system and can turn good into unforgettable. Many orgasms happen after a pause because the brain refreshes attention and increases the reward when it returns. Use prediction to make things hotter. Humans love pattern. Surprise them. Make a routine, then break it. The brain rewards novelty. The logic is simple. Expected stimulus gives a certain response. Unexpected twist gives a bigger spike. A whisper, where a laugh usually is. A different song. A note of story. Tell a short secret about what you want. Not explicit, just a hint. The mind fills in the rest. And fantasy accelerates arousal more than any single touch. Communication is your lab notebook. Replace vague requests with if-then language. If you want more pressure, say, if I lean in, pull closer. If something feels too intense, say pause. Logical rules like these reduce friction and make play safe. Faster and sexier. Consent stays on and curiosity runs the show. Here's another practice. Map the play. Draw a simple map on paper or describe it aloud. Where does warmth begin? Where's touch? Distracting. Where is breath? Electric. This map changes with time. Revisit it. Update your hypothesis. Celebrate discoveries. Finally, remember, the brain's reward system loves prediction and release. Use anticipation as a tool. Send a single sentence text at work. A scent on the pillow. A plan that starts slow and promises unpredictability. These small doses of attention prime arousal hours before you meet. Ava and Jonah learned to be playful scientists. They took notes, they paused, they scaled up, they surprised each other. They used logic not to kill desire, but to amplify it. Desire responds to attention and pattern. Treat your sexual life like a curious experiment, and you will find the experiments are wildly fun. Tonight, test one rule. Observe, pause, communicate, surprise. See what your system. The data you collect could be the beginning of dozens of better nights. Curious? Then go try. Update your note. And let logic make your next orgasm smarter and more delicious.